In this video, we will be going over how to winterize your MARUYAMA backpack misting equipment. It is important to winterize your two-cycle equipment, as unused fuel sitting over time can cause damage not only to your fuel delivery system, but your engine as well. When winterizing your backpack mister, you will need the following: safety glasses, gloves, a bucket with clean water, a funnel, two-cycle oil, a teaspoon measuring tool, box spanner tool, and a tub or drain pan. Before we get started, here are some additional tips to keep in mind. Store your unit indoors if possible. If not, make sure it is kept in a warm and dry place out of the sun. MARUYAMA recommends using fuel mixed with MARUYAMA Blue Shield two-cycle oil in your unit prior to storage. This will help ensure proper engine and fuel system operation when the unit is brought out of storage for use. It is recommended to do this process outside. If doing this process inside, make sure there is adequate ventilation. First, set the unit in an elevated position above the tub or drain pan. With the mistcock valve closed, disconnect the chemical hose from the nozzle. Make sure that the disconnected end of the chemical hose is aimed towards the inside of the drain pan or tub. Then, open the mistcock valve and drain out any remaining chemicals in the chemical tank into a tub, drain pan, or bucket. Dispose of any remaining chemicals according to the chemical manufacturer's recommendations. Close the mistcock valve. Then, fill the chemical tank halfway with clean water. Shake tank back and forth to ensure all sides of the tank have been cleaned. Open the mistcock valve and allow the remaining water in the chemical tank to drain out into a tub or drain pan. Once the remaining water is fully drained, disconnect the chemical hose from the chemical tank cap. Store your chemical hose clamps inside the unit's strainer. Empty the remaining fuel out of the fuel tank. Unused fuel sitting over time can cause damage to your fuel delivery system and engine. It is important to keep both in working order to ensure proper unit function. Push the primer bulb until fuel stops discharging from the fuel return line. Pour out any remaining fuel from the previous step. Start the engine and run it until it stops. Remove the spark plug. Make sure to wear gloves during this procedure, as the spark plug could be hot. Measure out a teaspoon of two-cycle oil using a teaspoon measuring tool. Using a funnel, pour a teaspoon of oil down the spark plug hole. Slowly pull the starter recoil a few times until the piston is at top dead center. The piston should be stored at top dead center so that the lubricating oil will not settle at the bottom of the crankcase. Reinstall the spark plug and store the unit in a warm, dry place.